So we want to talk about what is mean for, let's say, function of two variable, f of x and y defined. And let's say that's the graph of the z equal to f of x and y. And we are saying that f sub x at a point a and b is going to be basically the slope of the tangent line to the graph at point A and B in y equal to b, right? So that's what it means. So what else? And I kind of want to transfer this into, because this tangent line, I want to find an vector, a direction vector for this tangent line, like a direction vector like that. This is the x direction, and here's a vector in the direction of the tangent line. So how do I find that? So in y equal to b, we will have x and z, and f sub x at a and b basically is going to give me, so at a in here, f sub x gives me the slope of the, at a and b gives me the slope of the tangent line. So it goes like that. That's the slope of this line, the line that is tangent. There's a curve on the graph of the function, and you have a tangent line right there. And so what I need to do is to figure out a vector in here. And how to find this vector? Basically, if I go one step in x direction, I get up or down. The rise and run in z direction is this. And because y is equal to 0, nothing is changing in the y direction. Now, the same thing for when we have f sub y at a and b as the slope of tangent line to the graph at a and b, point a and b in x equal to a. So this time around, I will have y and z in here, and a point B for y, and a little curve of cross section, and little tangent line going that way, and I want to figure out what the slope of this tangent line is, and that would be f sub y of a and b. And then the vector in the direction vector for the tangent line is going to be, this time, one step in y gives me f sub y a and b in z. So the rise over run, that's that. And then x is not changing. So this is a vector in direction, vector in direction of tangent line in y equal to b. That's the vector in direction, or a directional vector of tangent line in x equal to a. So, and if I want to find the tangent line itself, I have to basically go r of t is equal to a point. I know a point in here by plugging in A and B. So A, B, and f of A and B plus t times that value. And if I want to find the tangent line in that direction, this one is R1 or R in direction X. And this is R2 of t. Again, a point plus t times the direction vector.